Fork, Sinnamahoning. We made it. Bit of a drive this morning. Just look at that crystal clear water, buddy. That's just beautiful. So we got the fly rod out today. The Scott Centric 9-foot 4-weight with the Ross Evolution LTX fly reel right there. That's what we're going to be fishing with today. Beautiful setup. Joe just caught a nice brownie. Hopefully we'll be getting some here real soon. You can see elk up here. That'd be crazy to walk into an elk. Nice. This was a black caddisfly. He's long and slender. Look at that. He is chrome all the way. You didn't get a chode out of that one. Nope. All right, buddy. Move down here and I got some fish jumping right out in there, and they keep coming up and hitting the top of the water, so we just switched everything over to dry fly stuff, and I'm gonna throw in one of my favorite little early season. I can spread some of this fly floating down my line. One of my early season favorites is a little humpy, like a red or a green humpy. If you're familiar with that, you see that? Oh, he looked at it. Might get her eyes on it. I love dry fly fishing. It's just, I love it. Like this little guy right beside me that keeps coming up right here. There, he just came up and looked at it. What a dick. Looks like 54. Well, one so far. How many you got, Joe? 3. I'm gonna walk back and jump in the vehicle and go on down. It's getting warm out. I'm gonna have to ditch some clothes when we get to the truck. Feel like naked fat boy fishing. Nobody wants to see that. On the beads. Boy, they are chromy, aren't they? And there he went. So we started out fly fishing. Caught one, missed a couple bites, you know, those kinds of things. But we switched over to the float rod and we already picked one up. And we're just gonna keep doing this. Drifteez beads, by the way. This is what's catching them right now. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he's a fighter. Look at that guy. That's nice. Look at that. All right, you're gone. Oh, they have an egg sac. That's not a sulfur yet. I want to see a sulfur for another couple weeks. Hey, look.
You guys do any good over there? Yeah. I was gonna say, I've been, so I cover that area too, and I talked to some guys the other night. One guy said he caught about 58 fish.
Really?
Yeah, he crushed them. And that seems like where they've been biting pretty good, so.
Nice.
But this is a good stretch here too. If you get upstream here a little bit, there's some nice spots.
Up that direction?
Yep. Yeah, there's a nice tree hole right up here. A nice run that runs right underneath this tree. It's really nice.
Decent.
And then there's a big hole at the bend here at the top. So if you guys venture up that way, you might get into a few. So, well, hey, I'll let you guys get back to it. All right.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, nice talking to you guys. Hopefully, you start getting into some here.
Yeah, let's hope so. We'll probably be on the road before we get into anything, though. So.
Absolutely.
Hey, take care of yourself, man.
Take care too. Have a good evening.
You too.